Today we're going to be changing the rear shocks on a 2010 Audi A4 Quattro, and I have done the front struts already. You would see that in one of my other videos, but today we're going to do the rear struts, and they're super easy to do. This is the only tools you need to finish this job is a pry tool for inner clips in the inner wheel well. You need a breaker bar. You need a 21 millimeter socket and a 16 millimeter socket. 17 millimeter socket you don't really need. That's for the lug nuts on the wheels. And then you need a vice grip for holding the shock, and then you need your jack. And that's really it. That's it. Just like 1, 2, 3. Oh, and one other thing. So this here is a Ryobi battery powered impact wrench, and I just love this thing. It works so good. I'll put a link in the description to where to buy it. But this one here is a P261 model, and it's awesome. Alright, so you're going to take the wheel off, just take the cover off. Alright, so now we got the wheel off. We take off these two right here. There's one. Alright, now this here comes off. There's just a little staple. There, see? Gives you access to the bolts. Now those are two 16 millimeter bolts, and you got to take those off. Alright, so this is the back. This is the lower part of the shock. Just take this thing off. It's not bolted down or anything. It's just a piece of plastic. And then you get your 21 millimeter socket on a breaker bar. Break it loose. Here's your big bolt. And there's a washer. There's a washer, and it goes on this side, and then the bolt goes through here, through the washer, get into the kind of compress it down to get it shorter so you can get it out. Alright, can you see this? Alright, cool. So this here cap just comes right off. And then you can get at there's a nut at the top, see? You gotta get that off. This nut is 16 millimeter. So what you gotta do is this here bump stop has to come down. So you're just gonna twist it. So it comes down like this. Just so you get some room in here. And you can put your vice grips on here. So, alright then. Nut off. Take this thing off. Vice grip off. Take off this. So now I got the shock off, see? Now, get the new one. This is Bilstein. Part number is 19-171609. I'll put a link to where you can buy this. Made in Germany. It's got this zip tie on here. I don't need this. I am going to use this thing though when I put on that one. So now what's interesting is this nut, it's on the new one, is a 17 millimeter. So yes, we did in fact need the 17. Yep. Put on your bump stop. Give me vice grips. This thing on. And you put on the nut. And we use the vice grip. Then we can tighten it. Yes, I need 17 now. It's tight. And push the bump stop back up in here. There's your unit. ready to go back in. Goes up in there like this. So now this one is much harder to push down. Well, it's super hard. At least it works. The other one didn't really come back up. 86,000 miles. Time to change them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this what the heck this thing is called. Oh, I also need to put this cap on here. See, this cap goes back on. That. Just over top. Okay. No, I'll just kind of hold it so I can get it in place. Alright, so put this baby in. That wasn't so hard. Take this off. Alright, so now you gotta lift this up and get it back into these holes. This hole here, hole on the other side, and put the bolts back in. So it's too hard for me to hold this and do it at the same time, so just imagine I did it. Alright, so I got the bolts back in now, you can see. And I didn't tighten them up yet though. They're just in there loose. And I'll go to the bottom. Alright, so now we're back under the car. And we gotta put this bolt back in here. And don't forget the washer on it goes on the other side of the shock. Okay? And my camera mount broke, so now I gotta hold this somehow. Work? See everything? Oh, good enough. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so it's in there now. I'm not going to take it out and put it back in. But anyway, this goes right in. Then we go back up to the top, and then before we tighten everything up, we tighten up the top again. I'm going to tighten up the top with the 16 millimeter. Those two bolts, tighten them up. So tighten up the top, tighten up the bottom. Then on the bottom we got that plastic thing we got to put on, and that's it. And then just put the wheel back on, and that's basically the end of it, you know. So I can put this plastic thing back on here. And then the only thing left to do, now that everything's tightened up, is to put this back here and put the on. That. And do the other one. I mean, literally takes you half an hour aside if you're not videotaping big 20 minutes. So it's very easy to do, and makes the ride much nicer. It's not bouncing so much in the back. Watch my other video for how to do the front struts. That's a really good video, step by step. And then I have other videos replacing the turbo and look at my other videos. I have tons of videos on this Audi. It's always something that needs fixed. So please like this video and subscribe to my channels, Cars and Coding. Until next time, happy wrenching. Auf Wiedersehen.